Okay, so kitchen downlighter bulbs. So we have downlights in this kitchen here, as you can see. We need to change this bulb, but it's very difficult to get the bulb out. You need to twist it and pull. But as you can see, if you try to do that, it's sometimes really difficult to get a grip to get it out. So there is a special tool that you can use to aid this, and I'll show you now. So this is the tool you get. It's basically a little, like a suction cup. I've just added a keyring here for practicality. But basically you get this suction cup, stick it on the bulb, twist it and pull it out. I'll show you that now. So basically you take this cup, push it onto the bulb like so. You can see how that just sticks onto the bulb. And twist it, turn it like that, and then pull. And that pulls the bulb out. And to get it back in is obviously just do that operation in reverse. So handy little tool. I'll leave links in the description to this, where you can get hold of one, and hopefully this video helped you out. This is a new channel, guys, so please subscribe if you can, give the video a like, and there'll be many more videos to come. Thanks for watching, cheers.